Hello guys, this is a drone resolve for you. The video today will be in English so we can help our subscribers from all over the world as well. Okay, not only from Brazil, from Portugal. Right, let's see the counting down for this news that DJI is bringing to us. It's called Smart Controller. Okay, I think it's something that everyone wanted, to be honest, that you can be free from using your mobile. Your mobile can be in the pocket while you're flying your drone. Yep, as you can see, it has a really nice screen. It's 5.5-inch full HD screen, allowing you to watch recording with the same resolution. You don't have that low resolution on your phone. You don't have the big nice resolution on SD card, which is on board on the drone, so you have both really good resolution. Brightness on display, crystal, very clear, and it has really good image, videos, and without any distortions or problems, or even under strong lighting it's just fine. Okay, range up to 8 kilometers, really far range. The company promised that control is better than any mobile phone available in the market. Is that so? Can you believe it? Okay, let's see. And also the antennas that can play a good role on support, that you can allow the display to be placed on foot for viewing on a table. You can share easily all your videos that you recorded, and it can be used on entire 2018 lines of drones from DJI. It's a really good idea, so they can use it, and it can connect automatically, so you don't need to wait those 1 minute or so that you usually spend when you're setting up your drone. Okay, it's just about 30 seconds, then you are good to go. You can use it. Okay, you can use for Mavic Pro, Mavic Zoom, Enterprise, and the others. Just a little problem, yeah. Everything seems to be amazing, but when it comes to price, it's really pretty salty. That's going to be anything modest than $649. It's the price of many drones in USA. Okay, even in Europe you can pay as well, like 600, 700 for a drone. In UK as well, and in Brazil it's really expensive. If it's expensive for USA and Europe, now you can imagine in Brazil. But anyway, so you have a choice to have another drone, or just go ahead and buy the Smart Control. Then you can use on all your range of DJI products that you have on Mavic lines. Yeah. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this very short video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Any comments, any question, please put here below on the comments area. And check our Instagram as well for very nice pictures that we've been taking in the past few months. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day for you all.